What's going on, guys? Today I'm working on cleaning up these drums. Got a couple more down there so I can put them on the rear end, grab a couple wheels and tires from upstairs, and have a rolling rear end so we can get a little closer. It's this little speedster project thing. I don't even know what it's going to be yet, but we'll build it together and find out. So let me get started on these and we'll check back in. Got my knuckle a little bit when I was wire brushing. I don't know what the heck I hit it on, but owie! Now let's go over to, let's make some room first. Oh, this is the cleanest garage I've ever had. I try to keep it that way, but there's just a point where you have too much shit that, you know, you gotta put stuff on top of each other. Yeah, that's not cool. But let's see. Little parts cleaner. A trick I learned from an old man. That's all you gotta do is use diesel fuel. Don't need any of that parts cleaner BS. Just put some diesel in there. All right. Let's get the ones we want to use, which kind of not sure. I might just put these on because they're cleaner. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll put these on. Now let's wash these suckers up. Alright, I got it on my bench now. I'm just gonna dry it off. That's it. It's gonna be clean enough for me to handle it and work on it and not get my hands all full of rust. Obviously when and if I use these, I'll sandblast them and paint them. I'm not building rat rods. No offense to anybody who is, but it's not what I'm doing. I'm building hot rods. So that will be painted. This will be painted. So, on to the next. Alright, so I think I'm going to use these actually on the rear end for now, because I don't think these are long enough to get a good thread. So I'm going to take one of the lug nuts and I'm going to clean up all these threads. I might even clean these threads up on this too, just so I can do everything by hand. So I hate having to break out a socket just to get it on the threads, you know what I'm saying? So I'll do that now. All right, I got my little trusty Ryobi. Let's see if these will clean up. Well, this one seems nice already. Nice. So now I'll just do that to all of them pretty much. If you just take your time on the little stuff like this, like even to go through and make sure all these go on nice, it's just gonna save you so much aggravation when you're putting on wheels and taking wheels off. And it goes with everything. Just like clean the threads, make sure everything's nice and clean. I know it doesn't look clean, but they're pretty clean. Not clean enough to paint, but clean enough to mock up and work with. So we're gonna throw these drums on that rear end and put some wheels on it. Now watch me struggle with the other one too. All I talk about, do this, make it a lot easier, do this, make it a lot easier. You still end up busting your balls. Matching keyways, and, you know, that old chestnut. So the keyway is going to match up with one of the studs. So it's easy, you can see the stud going on the keyway. It's made it easy for me. Learn something every day. Let's go get those wheels.
Alright. Starting to be something. You know. Big old firestones on the back. Little pie crusts. 7 by 16. Big boys. I made it a lot higher than I thought it was, so I might flip the sides, banjo sides, so be spring in front. So spring in front, spring in front. Let's just kind of shift it back, make it a little longer, and give me room for the rear end. See, this has to go up high to clear that. And once it's suspension, there's no travel. So if I move it back to spring in front, I have all sorts of room to play. So I'm probably going to do that. Switch that over and just going to have a plate made with 4 holes in it so I can put my shackles through and sink the spring down. That'll work there. In the front, it's already got a hole for the spring. Just have to get my spring put on, but first I gotta put wheels on. I don't have tires yet, so this will not see any front wheels for a while. Because I'm gonna take them off that once I have tires and tubes for the other 2 wide 5s. That one, hanging over there underneath the press. Because that looks pretty cool. One is matching lug nuts. But that'll look cool on both front and rear like it's supposed to. Then I can take these wheels and tires, put them in front of this. Because I do have some spindles, 2 pins. I do, because those are fronts for my wide 5s. So I'll take these, put them on this, we'll have a roll. Okay. I hope to have better content coming soon when I actually have something to weld. I should have done it earlier in this quarantine because I made some shock mount brackets. I finished welding the Z in the frame. I was actually doing cool stuff, but you know, I'll do cool stuff later on. But for right now, I kind of want to get in the theme of making videos semi-regularly. So if you guys like what you see, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me how I'm doing, tell me how I can improve with building hot rods and making videos. And yeah, I appreciate you. Thank you.